So now we already learned how to read file from our system. Now in this video we're going to learn how to create and write uh, our own things in our files. So now first thing I'm using that input file that text. So it's already here in that same location. So I give it like this. So we have same that whatever we used to read that student name, their marks and pass and fail. So we represent by P and L. So now this time we need to write out in that. So I'm putting that output one. We're going to give that name as passfile.txt. So we're going to create that new file that will be passfile in txt. Here it will become in the same folder. We can see after executing this one. So now we opening that pass file with that W means we're going to write it out. So now here we're doing that for loop line in F. So F is that where we have that file name input file. So we first going to read, then we are splitting by space, then we are checking it here if it's all equals flag equals to P where they have pass and fail, and then I'm passing it pass file dot write line. So now it's going to write everything in that file, and then every time after this writing it out, I'm closing it out pass file. So now if I go and run this one, so we can see it's executed successfully, and we can see here pass file.txt came. So if we double click on this one, we saw who all passed that, those student details are there. Now in this way we can do right. Now if I go ahead and now if I check this as well and comment it out, and then this one and name as well. That's why we are getting that red symbol. So now we're going to create that output second that fail file, and then we're going to write that in that way, and then we are closing it out. So now if we go and run this one, before running I can go ahead and delete this file so that it can recreate again, and we can see and now do reflect. Now no more pass file is there. So now if we go and run this one, so fail file is not defined. So what is its name? That fail file I given correctly. I hope so. It's to be defined from yeah. Sorry. So now we will go and run it again. So that field file is not defined. Field file output to field.txt. Okay. See, so here I did that mistake. I forgot to do that and comment this one where that output I have not did. So now if we go and run this one, so it's worked correctly. And if we go that and we can see that fail file.txt, two of them is came, and if you open that pass file, so all of them remaining all of them whoever passed it came here. So now we can see that how we are doing that a small mistake also we can learn from here and we can improve that. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.